All right, here we are in the UCI Ecological Preserve, and I'm going to show you our DroughtNet experiment. So the DroughtNet is a network of experiments all over the world where each set of scientists uses the same techniques to simulate drought in the ecosystem nearest them. And so this is UCI's version of the DroughtNet experiment. And we're just barely getting it set up. So it's brand new. What we have here is we have some rainout shelters. These are shelters, basically, they have gutters right there. These are gutters. And you can see the gutters cover about half the surface of this plot right here. Okay. So that means when the rain falls down and hits these gutters, it goes over to the side and falls down and falls off the plot. So these plants here only get about half of the rainfall that they normally would, and that's to simulate as climate is making conditions drier, which is supposed to happen here in California. Okay, so let's go in. There's a little fence here to keep wanderers out, but I'm gonna hop it because I'm legit. I'm a scientist, so I'm gonna walk down here. So these are the, as I told you about, the drought plots right here. And then right next to them here, these are plots as well. You can see there's the markers, but they don't have those shelters on top of them to keep the rain out. So this is just to simulate like normal rainfall. And so that way we can make a comparison. Every time when we come by to measure how the plants are growing, we can measure directly like, okay, how are the plants growing under typical conditions? And then how will they grow in the future as things get drier? We also have a set of manipulations here where we're adding water to this set of plots right here. You can see right here, these are little pipes, the purple pipes. And so that brings water in from the neighborhood nearby. And we're watering this almost like a garden. And that's to ask, well, what would happen if there was more water here under climate change? Because some areas will get more water. All right, so this is just getting set up. They just planted all these plants. These are all native plants right here. And we're very, very excited. We're gonna hope this project goes on for years and years and years. We'll keep coming back every year and measuring how these plants do under simulated future climate change.